So, hi mga besh! This is my fresh summer makeup look. So, I am using my Naturactor in the shade 151 as my foundation and concealer. So, ito, pwede mo siyang gamitin as a concealer or foundation. So, blend it with a damp sponge. And medyo maputi yung shade na ito, pero don't worry kasi maririmidyohan din natin yan mamaya pag magamit na tayo ng contour. So take your time to blend your foundation. So I'm using this Nichido powder in the shade Creamy Glow. And magbe-bake na rin ako dito sa aking under eye area at pati na rin sa aking T-zone para iwas pulas. So for my brow, I am using this Nichido eyebrow pencil in the shade Chestnut. So ana lang mga besh, nagsa-summer makeup kunuhay ko pero ang lakas-lakas ng ulan sa labas. So sorry, wala akong pake sa ulan kasi magsa-summer makeup pa rin ako. So to make my eyeshadow stay longer and hindi mag-crease, I use this Wet n Wild by Fergie as my eye primer. So for my eyeshadow, I use Pinky's Collection. So dalawa lang yung shade niya, yung metallic bronze at saka yung metallic white. So, apply the bronze shade in your eyelid, pero dapat hindi siya lalagpas sa iyong crease area. And then, use a clean brush para mawala yung harsh edges. And then, put the metallic white in the center of your eyelid. And again, using the bronze metallic shade, apply it to your lower lash line. And apply the white metallic shade on your inner tear duct. So, properly curl your lashes mga besh. So, I'm using this The Falsies mascara from Maybelline and apply it to your upper lashes and to your lower lashes. So after this, pwede din kayong magamit ng false eyelashes kung gusto nyong vavaboom yung lashes nyo. And again, I am using the Nichido powder to set my foundation concealer. And then, para na rin ma-blend yung pinibake ko kanina. And I am using my favorite bronzer, Hoola by Benefit, to contour my face. And besh, huwag mong kalimutan dyan para mawawala yung double chin. And last but not the least is ang ating mahiwagang ilong. So for my blush, I am using my NARS Orgasm. And gusto ko siya besh, lalo na pag summer kasi it gives glow to your cheeks. So I am using Revlon lip liner to outline my lips. So, ang ginagamit kong lipstick is from Revlon in the shade 407 Rose 2. So, that's the final look mga besh. And I hope you like it. And thanks for watching. Bye!